welcome back to my channel Cat in Katia. So today we are going to make this drawing in a Katia V5. So to know how to make this drawing in a Katia V5, watch full video to know how to make this drawing. So let's start our drawing. So first we are going to start, then mechanical design, part design. Then I name this part 1. Okay. After that I select XY plane, then sketch, and then I select hexagonal, then I make a hexagonal. After that I give the dimension. This line here is the breadth of the hexagonal is 39.8. So double click on this and type here 39.8 divided by 2. Then zoom it out. After that again select a hexagonal and put it on a center point, and then make one more hexagonal and then give the distance between this side and this side is 2.1. After that exit sketch and pad it. The length of pad is 45, so type here 45, and then again select XY plane, then sketch, and after that select this and then select a hexagonal and then make a hexagonal, and after that give the dimension here. Double click on this and type here 39.8 divided by 2. 39.8 divided by 2, and then exit sketch and pad at a distance of 3. Preview. Okay, this side is ready, and then again select this XY plane, then sketch, then select a polygon hexagonal, make a hexagonal and type here, give the dimension and double click on this and type here 39.8 divided by 2, and then exit sketch, and this time select a pocket and reverse direction, and the depth of the pocket is 1.5. This part, this bottom part is ready, and after that we have to make the holding bar. So for that select ZX plane, then sketch, zoom it out and normal to. After that select this edge and project it and make it into construction line, and then again select this edge and project it and make it into the construction lines. Then after that select a circle, make a circle and remove the construction line option, give your dimension, and the distance from this point to this edge is, let's see what is the distance. The center point and the bottom part of the cup is distance is 35.4. 35.4. Then select this edge and project this edge and make it into dash construction line, and then give the direction distance between both of these is 39 point 35.4. 25.4, then enter, and the distance of from this to the this is 39.8. Type here 39.8, 29.8, 29.8, and after that delete this line, and then make a line from here to remove this construction line and make a line, and after that from here go to this and make a tangent to this circle, and then again make a line, and before that give the angle between this line and this line. So the angle between these both lines are is 30.5, is 30.5, 0.5. After that select a line, make a parallel to it, and then go to this option, and after that make a parallel to it. Then select select this edge, and again project it and make it into construction line. After that trim the extra part. For trim select, go here and select this. Before that again delete this part, then select the trim option. So trim this, trim it. This is ready. Then select this edge, project it and make it into construction line. After that again select trim, then trim it. Then from this option select offset command, and then offset this circle. The distance between both of these is 2.1, and may remove this construction line, and after that select this line, not do not select this line, select a line and put it on one end of this half circle, and then extend it parallel to the first line. Then again select a line and put it on this point, and then make a parallel to it, and it's ready. Then select trim command, trim this, trim it also, and after that again select a line and join this, again select a line, join this. After that exit sketch and select a paired command, and select here mirror extend, and length is total length is 3, and here we select mirror extend. So in the length column type here 1.5, half of 3, preview. Okay, the cup holder is ready, and after that in the last we have to make a fillet. So for the fillet select this fillet command and type here 0.9, and then select the edges, press Ctrl for more than one edges. Select this edge, select this edge, select this edge, and again this edge, and then okay. Fillet is ready. So our fillet is ready, and our drawing is also ready. So this is how we make this drawing in CATIA V5. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos and notifications. So thank you for watching, and keep subscribe my channel.